I'm sure this video is going to be a very interesting one for everybody because we're going to go and meet my teacher with one of my students who, under my push and my encouragement, he became an instructor of the Nei Qi Gong Fu school of Nei Qi Gong. You will see Qi emissions, you will see a little initiation, just a little filming of the initiation, which is a ritual where the students become part of the inner school. I went there to learn my next advanced program, which is actually the Fa Gong, the Fa Qi Emission. I also performed my first Qi Emission supported by my teacher, and I knew already it's just a little part of something much bigger that I was already, let's say, I had already understood in one sense. I was already in that kind of approach about the Nei Gong, not about the Qi Emission, but about something greater than that. So you will see a conversation that I had with Thanasis together after the training, and I hope you enjoy the video, and feel free to comment below if you have questions, and let me know what you think about this.
Hi, Thanasis.
Hello, Shifu.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. I'm a student of Andrea.
Yes.
You're a student, and I just come to meet you and plan for you the next lesson.
Yes, of course. Welcome.
Nice place here.
Yes?
Yes, it is. It's a very honor to come here. I have seen you from photos and videos, and you meet the expectations.
You are welcome. Okay, come.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about your story. Eventually you are here in Gaeta, you met Shifu Costantino Valente, you had some nice experiences as well, which were not programmed today, right? some surprises, even for me, they were new. But it's interesting to see how things develop, and also how you ended up from a Facebook ad to actually, under my strong invitation to become an instructor of the Nei Qi Gong Fu school, authorized by my teacher, because I really think that you are a good guy, good person with integrity and values which extend even beyond the fact that we are playing with vital energy or we have achieved some kind of special abilities. As you know, for me it's more about the way we do things in the world, and the kind of correct approach and a good relationship, even mature and respectful, and many other things that are related to human qualities that for me are vital for a person to progress, first of all, in the path, and because I really felt that I really want to help you, so to speak, to go into that direction of becoming a teacher, because I think we have a good moral values and structure behind it, and you have been training martial arts for long, but that was not the reason. But of course, part of the discipline approach, the respect towards the teacher, the maturity, the openness of not knowing, of not coming to a point like I know something, so boosting that ego, but actually wanting to use the practice beyond the energetic aspect to go beyond yourself. So that for me was already a great pleasure to develop a growing relationship with you from Facebook ad to actually a friendly and respectful relationship we have each other, of admiration, common admiration, because it's the base of that. So I'm really happy that Shifu accepted my proposal, and he said just because it was me pushing. Well, he was clear about this. No, he just pushed you in a good way. So I would like you to share your experience. Today you learned a new problem, advanced problem, but please feel free to share with us, no, with everybody who's going to watch this video, your experience and free thoughts about.
First of all, thank you for the invitation, Andrea. What an interesting 2 days that we have together and with Shifu, and the second day hasn't over yet. And for sure, when I was beginning the Nei Qi Gong program, I didn't have anything of all of this in mind, not to become an instructor or even to go to the advanced program. The Nei Qi Gong path I started during the beginning of the COVID situation. I come from a martial art background, so yes, I met you at the beginning through Facebook, and it felt right. I liked what I saw. I saw the Emission and all these things, but I felt it was okay due to the martial art character that this program had. And I began the path without having a specific intention at the beginning of where it's going to end. It is a characteristic of mine that I do something that I like and see how it progresses. And our relationship that it has been evolved into friendship, and also the expectation through the path, it was changing at each stage. It was maturing as I was progressing in the stage, and I was experiencing each level, and each level is a different aspect of the art. Then I started to see things more of the point of view of the art, more spherical in a broad sense. And I started to also my questions about what do you want to achieve through the path, and what is the end goal, started to change. And this change, as it's evolved in a good thing, because in the exterior aspect of the art, it's very impressive, but beyond that, what? And it is a question that everyone has to ask this kind of question, and there is no standard answer, because the path of each one is unique, and they may guide us to a different destination. But what I can say is that this path can give you the tool, that with this tool and with the right state of mind, you can have the proper thoughts and make the proper questions, and then evolve even more from the Qi emissions, that it is only what I can say is the tip of the iceberg. And today
you had some experience.
Yes, today I had some experience that were very impressive from you and from Shifu Costantino Valente. But what was the most good thing that I experienced is that I saw the character of the person, the founder of Costantino Valente, the characteristics and the traits. And through not only his opinion, but with his presence, he validated what I was suspecting and we were discussing in the past, that you can take this tool and improve on not only the physical aspect, but also the emotional aspect and the mental aspect to an extreme. And through this combination, a new world rises and the new possibilities rises. And so, in the end of the day, if you want to hold one thing, is that with this new field of possibilities, life becomes more interesting, not so mundane as we try to believe due to all the circumstances that is around us. So, and it was a surprise for me to be accepted as an instructor. It was not planned, and also it was a surprise that I saw the experiment of Emission. Nothing of this was programmed. That's why it evolved so natural, and it was so impressive.
And when I say one thing, you didn't ask to become a teacher. I asked you to become a teacher.
Yeah, and
an instructor.
Yeah. Thank you for that, and I'm looking forward to see what lies ahead in the path. Because the stages may end, the path never ends.
Of course, of course. Thank you for sharing everything. I don't know if you want to add something more, but I think it was very valuable what you shared, and I hope it can be an example of how we can be all on the same level as human beings, because we all are. We can learn from others without putting anybody on a pedestal, but just being respectful for every person we encounter, and of course, especially this kind of art that we're learning. It is important to, be quiet, come with a big ego expectation and be attracted by these external things, or already turning the attention inwardly and trying to give life a different approach beyond your self-importance. I think it's great. Yeah. I think we can apply on anything. So maybe about this.
Yeah, my final message is that I create this video with you. First of all, as I wanted to have a
documentation. For me, it was about documenting.
The documentation, yes, of course.
Like, okay, we are at this stage now.
Of course. As I want to have a motivational aspect, because of the path can be sometimes can be difficult, can be demanding, and it's very easy to drop off, and you don't know what lies in the end of the day behind the corner. So you have to persist, you have to continue despite the difficulties. And what I can verify is that it offers you the possibility to explore many more things than the things that are presented in the video and the speculations that the people have in their mind.
Well, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, this sharing. If you feel that you want me to touch some specific topic in the channel, please feel free to comment or send an email. I will try my best to give my simple opinion about things. Hopefully, can bring some personal investigation. I'm not here to tell anybody what to do. I'm not here as a guru or anything big. I'm just somebody who's taking responsibility for the way they handles life, and I'm trying to put out this invitation for you to do the same, and at the same time to acquire some tools such as the Nei Qi Gong, which pair together with the right attitude can really bring great transformation, great experiences, and great human value in our life, which I think is the most important thing. So thank you very much, and bye. Thanks to Thanasis. It was a pleasure to record this.
And have a good time with the teacher too.
Okay, see you, bye.